Hiccups for 68 years. A man once hiccuped non-stop for 68 years. That's right, Charles Osborne started hiccuping in 1922 and didn't stop until 1990, racking up an estimated 430 million hiccups in his lifetime. Doctors were baffled. No treatment, remedy, or home cure could silence his relentless hiccups, and medical specialists never figured out exactly why it happened or how to fix it. Osborne's life was turned upside down. He learned to speak between hiccups, adapted his daily routines, and somehow managed to work, marry twice, and raise 8 children, all while hiccuping every few seconds. This bizarre medical mystery remains unsolved to this day, leaving everyone wondering how one man endured the world's longest case of hiccups for nearly 7 decades.